Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 10th of May. And first of all, national news. The NIA raided multiple locations linked to Dawood Ibrahim's aids. Sanskrit education to create more employment opportunities for students. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Probe agency summoned Jharkhand IAS officer in money laundering case. Center committed to development of Bodoland region. Amit Shah in Assam. Chennai man sets himself on fire and protest against eviction drive dies. Can't violate rules. Indigo CEO on row overboarding for special needs children. On Shaheen Bagh demolition, Supreme Court strong rebuke for CPI. And now some international news. Utah governor passed bill to create blockchain and digital innovation task force. Lightning bolt blew up a toilet in apartment building in US. Sri Lankan Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa resigned. Demonstrators and government supporters clashed outside the residence of Sri Lanka's Prime Minister. A ruling party MP was killed in the clashes. Many were hospitalized. And now some sports news. MS Dhoni is back as Chennai Super Kings captain in the Indian Premier League 2022 after Ravindra Jadeja stepped down. Suryakumar Yadav has been one of MI's top performers in IPL 2022. He ruled out of season with injury. Veteran drag flicker Rupendra Pal Singh, who recently came out of retirement, will lead India at the Asia Cup. And now let's have a look on weather. The India Meteorological Department on Monday predicted heat wave conditions for 3 days in Delhi this week. Cyclone Asani, which developed over southeast regions of Bay of Bengal, intensified into a severe cyclone on Monday. During the next 24 hours, it moves closer to the Andhra Pradesh-Odisha coast. The cyclonic storm is expected to weaken. And that's all in news headlines. Thank you to all of you.